package on my door and I'm opening it. Sorry, but that works. I'm not sorry.
Straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's so.
Okay, so today we're gonna be doing the dollar store challenge, slime challenge. You realize I'm just gonna edit you out, right? Okay, so they don't have any like normal liquid glue, so we have, what is this called? Glitter glue.
We have like 3 different types of glue, like there's
It's like
clear,
fast
all-purpose,
dry.
and fast dry.
And then there's like this gold tack glue, and we're gonna see which ones work. And then we have popsicle sticks,
Finger paint.
and puffy balls.
And we got little tine. Should I do the gold or the silver?
Look at how pretty
I'm
that
actually
is.
gonna end up doing a glitter glue.
Look at that.
It looks like poop.
You can't see it on camera, but this is like really light and pretty. I need to turn that. These are just water. Like, this does not work at all. So don't use this. Hers is really pretty though, but it didn't work. Look, they have the whole thing and look at how full that is. Like, okay.
I'm using it from the lid.
So this is our colors and we're just gonna start activating, and I really hope that mine works. Obviously Andrea's is gonna work because look at it. Yeah, it's still good. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's like turning super clumpy and gross, but I'm still gonna try. Oh, it's actually not that bad when you touch it with your hands.
Oh, I just like took it out of the camera for a second.
It's like soft. Okay, so this is both of our last tries. I'm gonna be trying this tacky glue and okay, so we just got both of ours done. I literally added that entire thing of red paint and it's still pink, so.
So I just did mine with yellow because why not?
There's so much glue in here that if I tilt it like that, it's gonna pour out, so yeah, try and show you guys. But now we're just gonna activate it and we'll be right back.